Welcome to class, students. Welcome to our special class. Special class means today we will discuss about some problems or some problem that you face during English speaking. In the class of science, I always used to say that students should be able to speak in English, they should be able to write in English, and they should be able to listen in English. So, today's lesson is regarding all this English speaking problem but key to success. Listen carefully. Today's topic is English speaking problem but key to success. Now, why I have chosen this subject today? Student, listen carefully. This subject is in my mind from last 15 days. Today I want to discuss this with you because when students learn in 8th, 9th, 10th class, they secure good marks in the 10th class. They have their admission in the science stream. But as they were learning in the Marathi medium, they are unable to write the concepts in English, they are unable to understand the topics in English, and that is the major problem before them. So how you overcome this problem? That is today's lesson. Because the student should be able to speak or write in English. So for that purpose, what he should do, what lesson is necessary for him, what he should do, that he will be a good listener, he will be a good speaker, or he will be a good writer also. So for that purpose, I would like to give you some tips. If you follow these tips, English speaking will be easy to you. Now, when I am telling you the tips, you can note them in your notebook also. What you have to do? First thing that you have to do is you have to develop your vocabulary focus. Student, listen carefully. Vocabulary focus means you should know more and more words. Means you should know new 10 words daily. Now what will happen? If you write 10 words daily in your notebook, by that process what will happen? You will get more and more words with you. Your vocabulary focus will be developed. And that is the major problem while speaking. Why do you not speak? Because you don't have your vocabulary focus, so you do not speak. If you have your vocabulary focus, you will be able to speak. So for that purpose, what you will do? You will simply write 10 words daily, 10 new words. If you write these 10 new words daily, there will be near about 2,500 words in your copy in 1 year. Listen carefully. By this method, you will have 2,500 words, new words in your copy in 1 year. And you have to do this daily. Second one, grammar focus. If your grammar focus is developed, you will be able to write English in a proper way. Now, somewhere you find that people speaking in English, they do not speak properly. That means they don't have the knowledge about grammar. So their speaking sometimes is at random. So for that purpose, in this grammar focus, you will see what is necessary. The knowledge of tenses is very necessary. Now what will happen? If the knowledge of tenses, now what is tense? You know it very well. Now I will give one example only, then you have to do it at home in your copy. In this process, what we will do, if you are given one sentence, you should be able to convert that sentence in the remaining types of the tenses. I am repeating again, you will convert that sentence in the remaining types of the tenses. Now for example, if I write one sentence here, I write a letter. Then I will write, I am writing a letter, I have written a letter, I have been writing a letter, I wrote a letter, I was writing a letter, I had written a letter, I had been writing a letter, this way. This is one example for you. For this purpose, you can take the help of your English teacher also. Listen carefully. Until and unless your grammar focus is not developed, you cannot frame the sentence meaningfully, or you cannot frame the sentence in a proper manner. When you have knowledge of the grammar, means knowledge of the tenses, it will be easy for you to express yourself in a proper manner. Third point is media for communication, and this is the major problem in English speaking. Media for communication. You do not get media for communication, so you are unable to talk in English. You should get a friend in your school. He can talk with you in English. You should get a neighbor near your house. That means your communication skill will be developed. And here, many times, we do not get companion for talking, and due to that, your English speaking becomes poor, or you do not have habit of English speaking. So here, media for communication is very necessary. Now in the media for communication, I would like to mention here some programs or the functions. In the school, the programs or the functions based on the English speaking, they should be arranged in the school. For example, science quiz, English quiz, different types of the speech competition. In such a program, what will happen? You will get the media for the speaking, and when you get the media for the speaking, you will always try to speak in English. That is very important. It is duty of the school that they should provide such a type of program to the students. It is duty of the school that they should provide books in the library also regarding English novels or English books. They should be available in the library. Newspaper should be available in the library, so that the students have the practice of reading all these books, or students have the practice of reading all these newspapers. Now due to this, what will happen? Student, listen carefully. If you read something daily in English, if you speak something daily in English, or you listen something daily in English, that will develop yourself, and you will be able to speak in English. Now, when you are going through all these processes, so these all processes will require near about 10 months for your perfection. Listen carefully. This is not so easy program for you, or so easy method for you. You have to go through this. First point, you have to write 10 new words daily. Second point, you have to know about different types of the tenses. And point number 3, you should have the media for communication. Means you should try to speak in English with your friends, with your neighbor, with your teacher, with your brother. Due to this, what will happen? Your English speaking method will be in progress, but it will be developed. So listen carefully. Try speaking. Try to correct mistakes. When you start speaking, listen carefully, students. When you try or you start speaking, in the beginning, there will be mistakes in your speaking. At that time, you should find out those mistakes and you correct these mistakes in the next time, for the next time. And when you will correct your mistakes daily, what will happen? There will be one day that you will speak English correctly, and that is my conclusion. Only you have to go through all this, and I am confident that you will be able to speak in English after 10 months. This is 10-month course. Students, listen carefully. You have to do all these things for 10 months, and after 10 months you will find the progress in your speaking skill, progress in your writing skill, and progress in your listening skill also. Students, I finish my class here.